To add an image on my viewboard, click on Magic Box, click on Image Search, click on what you would like to search. For example, I want a picture of Earth, an image of Earth. So now you can see there are a lot of images available. Choose the one that meets your requirement and drop it to my viewboard. As you can see here, the picture is available. As I click on this, there are a lot of options for me to edit this image. So now I would like to remove this black space from here, black color. So let me click on color removal. Let me make it white. And okay. Now, if you can see, the black color is removed. Now, because it is an earth picture, so I would like to spin this as well. So let me click on spin selected object. Now you can see that the earth is rotating.